How I fixed a disapproved Instagram shop from Commerce Manager and how you can do the same. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia. On this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, so if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did step by step to fix a disapproved Instagram shop and what were the errors that I ran into and how I managed to fix them and get the shop approved. If you don't know, I offered this as a service on my website. The form is down below if you want to get in contact with me and get this service. I go through all the errors that can come up in your commerce account, in your Instagram account. I see if the connections are made right, and I apply my strategies to get the shop approved. So in today's video, I will show you what I did for this specific shop because every shop has different errors. And of course, I can't know what those are for every specific shop, but I will show you what I did for this one. So this was a shop for gifts. So the first thing I did was check the product, and I noticed that some of the products in the catalog that were added with a pixel were having a lot of errors. That's why I decided to delete all the products from the catalog, remove the pixel completely, and just add 10 products from the catalog manually. I stayed out of the ones containing alcohol because this shop was a shop with gifts and a lot of the products included wine. So after I deleted all the products, I only added 10 products manually, and I made sure that the title was written alright, the description was alright, the price was the same as on the website, and the link was the same as the one from the website. Next, I verified the website domain that was not verified, and that helped the Instagram shopping process a lot too. If you don't know how to verify a domain, make sure to watch this video right here. Next, I checked that Instagram was connected to Facebook properly and with the commerce account that the products were in. While I did that, I kept the client posting and being active on both platforms. The Facebook page was growing, the Instagram account was growing as well, and the engagement above of the likes and the followers. So during the time of wait for another review option, I did all of those things. The next thing was growing the account. So the client kept posting. I advised them with different hashtags. This is what I do for most of my customers, or I take care of the posting myself in some cases to grow the account so that it will be eligible for this feature. While I grew the account, I also asked support from Facebook. So I contacted Facebook support in order for them to give me some guidelines of why the account wasn't approved and what I need to do to grow the account, or what I need to do to get the account approved for that specific business. Of course, they have different guidelines for every business. They have different guidelines that they can say but they won't. Their policy is really weird, but I managed to make it work even with that. After a while of waiting and of me making sure that I did all the things right before applying, the review button appeared again, and I applied. But of course, you also need to set up shipping and returns. You need to make sure that you have an email on file. So if you don't know what those settings are that you need to do for your commerce account to get approved, make sure to watch this video right here. I tell you everything about it. After I got approved with those 10 products in the catalog, I started adding all of the other products manually, so there will be no errors. But usually when you have a Shopify account, you can connect that, and if the Instagram account is approved and the commerce account is approved, then you will be able to add those products in the catalog automatically, and they will also be updated automatically as you add new products to your Shopify store. Part of my service is that I also create collections for the shop, so I went ahead and did that and also tagged some products in the posts. So there you go. This is how I fixed one type of Instagram account that didn't have access to the Instagram shopping feature. Again, if you need this service, you can contact me at the link below or on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess to chat a little bit more before getting the service. So this account that I work with didn't have too many errors, but some accounts have a lot more errors that need a little bit more work. But that is not relevant to the price of the service. The price remains the same. So if you want to get in contact with me, you can do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and I look forward to hearing from you if you need this service.